Good morning, everybody. I certainly hope we had a fun weekend. Steve, I want to say thank you very much for making sure that Friday went smooth. I appreciate you stepping in like that. It's very nice to have that kind of support. Appreciate it. Looks like we're going to open up about where we closed Friday. Friday, let's see, what was it? The important number to beat was 141.67. We didn't do that. We didn't close over that number, so we didn't beat it. That's still about the same place that we need to beat here for the bulls to get going. For the most part, we've just consolidated for the last week or so. Getting kind of tight right in here. I suspect something will happen soon, but until it does, as long as we keep trading in this sideways tight manner, I would keep things a little on the cautious side. Take profits when you can, and don't let those losses get out of hand. So while we're trading sideways, little caution. Hi, Duchess. I had a very nice trip. Very nice trip. It's good to see the parents. Okay, let's take a look at the stock picks today. What do we have here? EA. EA, we've kind of looked at it, talked about it over the last week or so. Thursday threw us a little bullish engulf over a doji. Friday threw us a bullish engulf over both of those days. I think EA is an excellent trade at this point. Anything above the T-line, I would look to be a buyer. Obviously, the first swing high is the target, and then we'll look for something up a little bit higher here. EA is one of those rounded bottom breakouts. I have to mention it here. If anyone's interested, we do have a class coming up Saturday, the September 29th, on how to find the rounded bottom breakouts, how to trade the rounded bottom breakouts, how to make money at the rounded bottom breakouts. And they are, or it is, a very good money-making chart setup and strategy. And that's September 29th. TC. TC is another chart that I kind of like here. It's on our stock pick list. Today we have a bull kicker gap up Thursday, Friday. Closed over the 34, 50-day simple, the 20 simple here. We now have a rounded bottom breakout here. We're looking for the first target up around the $3.50 mark. That takes out the big swing high over here, and then we'll worry about moving up toward the 200-day moving average. That's TC. ABX. ABX is a very nice J-hook pattern right here. Looking for the 200-day moving average as a target. You can see how we've come from this bottom. We've rallied up, consolidated, rallied up. Nice little PBO consolidation here. Doji gap up. Very important to watch this. Doji gap up. We want to play this on strength to the upside, and we're looking for the 200 as the directional target. NU GT Nugget. Another J-hook pattern. This is coming out of our rounded bottom breakout. Nugget headed toward the 200-day moving average. Trade it based on your own rules. You've got a nice trending chart here starting from the bottom. Trade above the T-line, trade on strength. Use your trading rules for entries, exits. MCP. MCP, nice little pinball type setup here, and we've got a little pullback now with a doji. It started with this bull kicker up. It's pulled back. This is where I want to start looking to buy it. Watch that 34 EMA for the first target, and the 50-day simple moving average for the second target up here. GDOT. GDOT has been on the watch list, and I think few of us still own GDOT. GDOT looks like it's acting good here. It acted great Friday. It's doing just what we want it to do. We're still looking for that 34 as a target, and then possibly higher. The featured stock pick for today, CTCT, rounded bottom breakout. If you've noticed, I've been doing a lot of the rounded bottom breakouts for the featured stock pick, and there is a reason for that. They are highly lucrative. The probabilities are very good for making money, and it is just like the pinball setup. There's absolute entries, absolute exits, targets. I mean, it's just an all-around visually good looking chart to trade, and very easy. That's what I like about it. Let's see, CTCT, rounded bottom breakout, J hook is the setup. The entry is positive trading above $19.55, so that's above above Friday's close. For PBO traders, buy down to the stop 1868, so you can buy all the way down to the stop right here, so you can buy inside day. We're looking for that breakout. We're looking for it to take this high out. First target about 2103, give or take a few pennies. Second target up near the 200-day moving average at about $22.45, right in this area. So keep in mind that the likelihood of this moving all the way up to the 200-day moving average in a straight line is slim to none. So we have to trade it based on some rules. Everybody should know those rules. And once again, this is what we'll be teaching on September 29th. It'll be about a 3-hour class. This is coming up. Yes, it is. Okay, everybody. I'm glad to be back. It was a fun weekend. Thanks again for Steve. Thank you to Steve for filling in on Friday. Maybe now that the summer is over, the market will really start taking off, and we can really start making some money. I know everyone kind of looks at the summer as being summertime doldrums. I don't think this summer was really a doldrum, so maybe the fall here and the winter will pick up even more, and we can make even more money. So it's been a good summer so far. Alrighty, I'm going to go get a cup of hot coffee. Be back in a few minutes. See what we can do today. Thank you.